Okay, hi, I'm CHUAH. My ID is 1231302X73, and I'm gonna to present about my TWT assignment. Okay, this is my HTML code, about the CSS and my script part. Okay, I'm gonna to like explain one by one. So we start first with the dot type HTML, and then we use the open this one open the HTML and then the header. Yeah, that's normal of the format. And then I use a link to refer the CSS part. Okay, and then this is my title, the seller stock. I name it. This class is mean that use the CSS to like highlight back or like access access the style for it. And then this is a code. This all HTML code is about to have a visualization to analyze the stock. So I will show you later how it work. Okay, so we go into the style part. The style part is about the design for my code. You can see the font size, the font weight. I use margin, background, like the color code. Yeah, and then the P also I use like just a name. It's okay because I need to link back. Submit a paragraph. Then dot M, yeah, show you just now, you see. Class A back. And then what is other? I see the border also I use the color. You can see a body also. Such as the front family, I use the inter and sans serif. Then the background color I use for design my background. So the padding, yeah, panel, max wave, is a normal. Also, I make a UI or I made a style for buttons. Yeah, I'll show you later. You see. Then what else? See where you see the table. I also use the heading table. I use about my design. I need to like set the width, the how do I say, the size of it, and then yeah, I close my stuff because that's part my CSS. You see, and then I use about my script. Yeah, this link to like make it's a plugin. I think this all is my external. Yeah, it's like let me to use the function of it. I close my header. This head. Yeah, I include to my body part. So I also like uh use the UI about the light theme. I make two of it, a light theme and the dark theme. Yeah, you see this one, line chart. I use the option. Yeah, I will show you later because our chart have two patterns, which is line and a candlestick. Yeah, so I made an option selection of it, and then the button. When I click it, I will like have a toggle of theme. I can like change about the light or the dark mode. Yeah, two of it. Also, yeah, and then I also use the div. I use for making the part of it like this part is make separation. And then I use the also I add the add to history function. It means that when I buy, it will collect the data and then he add to my history, and you can see the action your action that made in the chart. Yeah, the note of it. I made an indicator data. This is the data for table. It means that it will record the value of it, the value of an indicator that show to you. I will explain later. And then price prediction, same also. just the data first because we haven't go into the script function. Yeah, then yeah, this one script. Yeah, we are going to the script. So this is a part function for toggle the theme. Yeah, and then fetch dot data. This mean is I use an API to track the real data, live data. Yeah, this is a code of my API key. I use the chef data. Yeah, the free API key that I can use. Yeah, if in wrong, then we will pop out the invalid style symbol or data not found. Yeah, and then random chart high low higher high. Yeah, show you later. Random chart is nothing. Explain. Yeah, this some of the indicator. So we'll see. Yeah, this indicator. So I made the three indicator of it. Is first one is the calculation of the EMA, exponential moving average. So this is a calculation of it, and then calculation of indicator MACD, moving average, conversion divergence, and then also the calculation for RSI. RSI is mean that we can show that this overbuy of over so of the stock price. Yeah, this function to pop up the indicator. This means that we can update the new data with different how do I say different movement of the action. Yeah, and then the last one is the function of add to history. Yeah, this one is how do I add into the table like that So last one is a reset. Yeah, and then we close the HTML because that's all for my code. So now I will like show you my code how to run it. Uh, okay, you see this is my web. This is my web for the Stellar stock. So you will see, yeah, this all my UI. So this we can see put inside the stock and here. Then we have tool of chart, search button, toggle themes, and you can see the reset, zoom, buy and sell. Then this is the data that they record for you. So let's test. That's about Apple. Yeah, this is stock for Apple. Line chart. Okay, we try first. Yeah, you can see this is the stock for Apple. So you see the line price. This is price. Then this red one is the RSI. We got the MACD too. Then the signal. Yeah, when you want to buy, sell, and also the volume. Yeah, you see the like above it is a volume, high or low. Yeah, and you will see the reset zoom. It means that you scroll the wheel, you can like reset of it. So yeah, so you think that you want to buy for now, click on buy, and then you see your trade history. Yeah, I just buy for now. Also, the indicators mean that this movement is where the data at the price. Yeah, you will see like at the value of it. Yeah, the record, and then the price prediction. So it means that you see, they go in the downtrend. Then so I mean, I need to like it will like show the downtrend, and then yeah, confident is like the fakeness yeah, and also my HTML can change to candlestick chart. Yeah, this is a candlestick chart. Where the stock is open, where's the value of the highest value on the date, the lowest value, and it close value also record. So it's make the candle pattern. Yeah, and my function also got the toggle theme. I can like change the dark mode. Now you can see all change to uh, prevent our HTML to look better. Yeah. Okay. Now you see. Okay. Let's try for next stop. Like try Microsoft. Okay. Yeah, Microsoft work. Uh, you see the line we go price. Yeah, it'll be better. Yeah. Then you see the ISI work, MACD also work. If I just cancel, yeah, also work. All function. Yeah. Then we'll see the uptrend. If I want to like buy, you'll show. Yeah, you see. Yeah, buy. Okay. Then you go uptrend. I committed. Yeah. Then 20 days moving average, record the value, ISI also record, MACD also record, all records. And we try about change the candlestick. Yeah, I go to the uptrend, you see, all data is recorded. Yeah, change theme. Yeah, let's work. Okay, let's work. So thank you for listening. That's all for my presentation. Thank you. Okay, now is I want to edit my code to let you know some of my code function. Okay, one of it is like M. You see, I create a M because I want to let my title, yeah, and the subtitle for change about the CSS of it. So for this one, you can see I run the code first. Okay, you can see this is a blue one and then it's at the center. So if I change this one to left, yeah, you will see the dot M is mean that this one is mean I link back. So the title and the subtitle will go to the left one. Okay, so now I show to you. Yeah, you see, just now it's at the center because I want to title is uh it's locked at the center. Is let my web looks better. So okay, I change back because I want to show the function of HTML type. So center, yeah, and then if I rename this one, okay, I want to rename my function. So it's such as title, like title. Okay, I make this one the title. So I link back this one if my class is not right above the title, so it won't run the CSS of them. Okay, let's try. Let's run. See, not at the center. So how do we fix this? It's like title is a class function. So we need to like change the name of the class function so it will be same. See, yeah, yeah. As we change our button type, okay, now next one I want to change CSS is mean the color, button is mean that the words of the button like search, you see, is the white color of the words, toggle themes, reset zoom, buy and sell. Yeah, this is a white color. So if like I change, I want to change the black. Yeah, so I save. Yeah, you can see is from white color jump to the change to the black color. You see, yeah, all of the button, the words of the button. Yeah, see. So yeah, that's all.